This is Satya and I'm from ROYKIT. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your webmail password easily. So what happened whenever you hand over a project to your clients, sometimes client may ask you that they forget the password. So how can you recover that? So you can recover it within just one click. So without wasting time, so let's start. First, logging to your hosting your account. Then in this dashboard, you can see email section. Just click on email section. And just for an example, I want to change the password of that domain email. So just click on it. Now, this is the email that which password has been forgotten. So let's see. Okay, so now let's come back to the dashboard. On the right side, you can see three dots. Just click on it and just click change the password. You can use that password or you can change the password. So I'm changing the password. And now click on update. Now go back to the webmail and just put the password which I have given earlier. Now it's done. So this way you can change or update your password. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit a like button and also share the video.